Okay, we some for high TV Ghana, but so now like no comment and my share on me outside there. And you be a share now. And then so no yeah, Afia Schwarzenegger in any command say very popular influencer, actress, like celebrity. Yeah, in any command say. And now no so no in say like stands for MPP, but one man na style be. Yeah. But we now we free according to Medru Kotoka Airport. Aye. If I be by land day, or call immigration so no no so much in the Ghana card. Now fee we free one more win BBA no queue be a she. Any aje was say Dr. Bawumia&Digitalization room and as I deal with Yenya our Ghana airport. Into what? One to ama Dr. Bawumia and I want Dr. Bawumia as a woman. Now we before. I'm for your couldn't put in and listen.
Na bedu Ghana 840 850 remedy me bag digitalization na ye kana ye see pen kokwa wa phone na mo ban kokwa no go ne where what's the plan you do at time bra what's your plan you do time 850 me na me yi me bag you me na my year documentation you know na won pe ba wo mi happen why mo so me dey don send the month the abaso ni e camera over e we di how many minutes who di how many minutes who di line and who digitalization is a canon. Hey, why won't Dr. Mamuta me now you pay for?
Okay, I'm for na say Afia Schwarzenegger no. Aye. Oba be drew 840 850 now we free airport one in less than 20 minutes. I'm for is serious. Canina like can be this one. But we the documentation need be bia wo kofi in 10 minutes digitalization. Basically one can just say wa on Dr. Obama asem no. We there before. Umpa di we then I'll be pay NDC for mum pay we then I was a pay. That's some crazy. So Oma for ye call a hanum say so nana asafo ji call TV3 no na ye dem abana say asem no na serious case nya asem koto a dem abana mi na no nka asem nyime ne submission a utimi ka kire Ghana for TV no so say Dr. Bawumia and the most useless vice president ever in Ghana's history. And them abana. So say ka say NDC for no mo sorry a omo hu no mo nsem ka na ato mo ne di atem. Omo ni fact bia o betre TV so no do so di atem. We na nana asafo di how MPP communicator. I say omo betre TV ni radio so a mu didi atem a no ma hwe mu din no me de mi hwe udin na ma fact but be ma de mo ehye so what I say we na nana asafoji so start here a lady down the fact e brush here dem agbana e kire the nyansa o kire the nyansa ama fe yankoni nkunkuti
hear them saying he's a useless vice president. Did you hear that?
He used the word, yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
And you allowed it go?
Oh, but you
No,
have
no,
said
no. I'm not asking Adam. I am
not.
not asking Adam. Did you hear that? And did you allow it to go?
When they say something is useless, what does it mean?
Relax. Now, I'm going to show you a useless
When
president who
something is
wants to
useless.
come back again. Former president who wants to come back again.
I'm not
We're
sure.
in this country. We slept in the dark for more than 4 years. Such a useless president wants to come back again and plunged us into further darkness. We were in this country. We were in this country. We were in this country. Young teachers who had taught for 3 years could not get salary. Those who got salary were only paid for 3 months. Such a useless Mahama wants to come back to become a president of this country. We were in this country. Young graduates from polytechnic, university, all across board, could not even get employment. There was a total ban on employment by such a useless Mahama. Such a useless Mahama wants to come back again to be our president that you are proud of. We are in this country. We are in this
All
country.
these assessors are not
All indicators, everything
figures.
that shows that you are running
Figures.
a country broke down by a useless Mahama.
Mama for mohwe dem agbanan afi no onyan kwa so be dwane afi studio. On facts no ole ni na so e no kure o. Ghana for nyina ya aware of these things. Ye nyina ye ni some of these things. Ye nyina ya aware. These are basic things that Ubia or Ghana be any say John Dramani Mahama yes anyama we now when he was a president. Who was that lay down fast on did any my afi what temunya obi dwane kure afi studio. That is it. Omuni facts be o tro any the atem kwa no mini. Oma for you to
You are proud to introduce that useless Mahama to us. That one, you are confident, you are proud to introduce such a useless Mahama to us. We are in this country. Huh? A whole, you're talking about credibility, a whole system of government had to set up an investigation to investigate a then Vice President Mahama became a president. Such a useless person. You want to bring him back to the country. You want to bring him back to the country. We were in this country. We were in this country.
Bawumia has no credibility.
Such a useless
A chronic liar. I can tell you, over 90, even on this paper, I have listed over 90 lies told by Dr. Bawumia. Bawumia that changed condition president
and acknowledge the
in the
roles
PDS scandal.
after 2 months of acknowledging that role. After 2 months
He
of
has no
acknowledging that
credibility.
role,
We all know
that
Dr.
role
Bawumia.
sounds like a
Bawumia has no credibility.
such a useless
So I'm telling you, Dr. Look,
former
I have
president
on this
Mahama.
list,
We
and I
want
can
to
count them.
introduce him back again.
Dr. Bawumia.
You think we don't
all
know
the
Mahama
things that
and
you are
everything
saying,
he has done in this country?
all the things you have said. No, but
We
you
know
said
all
it.
those
You
useless
back,
things he did.
no, but you said
All those corrupt
that.
activities he
You
was involved
you
in.
are certain
And
that
you
Dr.
are
Bawumia
here,
is
you
useless.
are
I
here
didn't
want
say
to
it.
raise the
You are
credibility
certain.
and say we have
You are certain.
no,
you want to talk
cannot.
about credibility?
Who-
A
but
chronic
you have-
liar like
which
Dr.
one you
Bawumia.
have?
Now we have
Which
John
one you
Dramani
have?
Mahama.
You have a thief.
After 8
You
years
have a
of
thief.
being
You have a
a former
corrupt
president,
person. You have
please,
everything you want to describe.
if you want to look at
Yes.
it.
All right, gentlemen.
okay. Abusianfo na che say nana di asafo adi ena like mama chairman ho ahyehye no o say afi at the latter part no onja no mane nkasa wo onja no mane nkasa wo ono na ma ne wo ne time a ono na ka ne de no afi senior man lay down facts ahyɛ no or distracting no o mane nka de wo ka no kra because when him say de wo ka ne no kra that is NDC for you and both say presenter no but one no on ka hwe because NDC for DC that's it that's the reality one for your kwanum say so paragraph watch down kwa yes in no one astute MPP communicator obo adwuma gidigidi ono so che lawyer Martin Pebu e join news so amfane ho anche no kora anya asam ko to one for your kuni ekoti
an honest assessment. Make an honest assessment. Master should make an honest assessment of the vice presidency nature of John Dramani Mahama and compare that with Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and tell me who stands tall. Tell me whose water will not sink. Compare them. Tell me the policy directives that Dramani Mahama brought as sitting vice president and compare that.
I think this conversation about vice president versus vice president, which has come to the fore now, is only because there must be some justification so that someone also becomes president, and then we can square off, right?
That is not the issue.
If it weren't, I mean,
John Dramani Mahama has been president. The Ghanaian people
throughout,
opportunity that was given unto him.
Paul, we can either have a conversation or we can have a monologue. Which one would you like us to have?
I think it's important we have a conversation if you allow me to express my views.
Thank you. But just as I interject the others, I will have to interject you as well. I'm just saying that must it be throughout from Vice President Akka all the way through Aliu Mahama to the others. Vice presidents haven't been looked at in a certain light. All of a sudden, it's being considered because of what? I want you to answer that before you move on?
It is because we have an innovative, out of the ordinary thinking vice president that we have had in this fourth republic, which is why we are having this conversation. We have a vice president who has contributed significantly to policy directives from the executive to the president. So compare from Accra, tell us directives that Accra brought when Jerry John Rawlings was president. Tell us directives that Abiy Mahama brought when John Ajay Kufuor was president. That is significant enough. Tell us directives that Ivan Satamou brought when he was vice president to Jerry John Rawlings.
So all of them, none of them did anything, right?
When he was vice president to John Satamou. So it's really about the catalytic effect.
So none of them did anything. It's Dr. Bawumia who came and did something,
None
right?
of them did anything significant. The key word is significant. None of them introduced policies that is an honest assessment.
Okay, one for na chese ohun asanso abashi mu ha nim sei. Na unze presenters no aya na hu de ha omo. Say MP communicators na ka omo asema. Say na e den o. Omo nja omo mo fa when lay down omo facts o. As when this for na ka e twa ntro de a. Omo kwa ma omo ka. Ana na menti ase. We pa we man submission. What distracting is ah omo na nkasa. Ene ofre na ye. Friend say o metia na adwen sa anye den o friend sa anye den sa o mo kwatena radio so any TV so no mo submission this TV3 na joyful na GH1 o mo ma pipi fo na nkasa da no mo distract o mo sa na no ye de ade a mo choose size a fine nim sa mo betena so mo so nka mo intellectual what ideas no nya asasem no mo de magana mo nka na ye ntie ye pesi eti wo mo ma yempe mo so ma ye ntie wo eno ye den mo so mo ye dan mo jo ma ha ma e wontimi mfa nhye Dr. Mamu ba mi anya de obewe ni enti mo ha pa na ne de hi o ma fo ja comment section ha TV ya